Based on what you have learned about your freelance business in this module, set specific objectives and targets so that you can measure your success and make any necessary adjustments. For example, increase your marketing, raise your hourly rate, reduce your expenses, etc. You can set targets related to income, a timeline for transitioning to full-time freelancing, the number of clients, etc. Some examples include: I want to earn blank, to put towards my child's education, a renovation, or a year of travel. Think about how much you would like to earn. Once I earn % of my day job salary, I will transition to full-time freelancing. What percentage of your day job salary would you like to earn to make the transition? I will have % of clients by a specific date. Set a goal, set a date, and work toward being your own boss. I want to make an income of blank in my first year. How much money do you want in your first year of business? Set your targets for your first year of freelancing. Consider the relevant targets in your action guide, and add some of your own.